Hi everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of today's market. So let's get started, guys. Hi everybody. So before discussing something new, let us first recall what we studied yesterday. So yesterday we were talking about the chart of HDFC Bank on a daily time frame. So yesterday, as we were discussing, that HDFC Bank is trading near its all-time high. Further, it is staying inside the range of this mother candle, and a closing at day high suggests a strong momentum. And we also discussed that if it opens flat, it can give a straight up move without even stopping. Correct. So what I'm going to do is I will attach a clip of my yesterday's understanding of HDFC Bank so you can relate both of them, and आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा मजा आएगा when you will understand that okay, simple things do work so well, right? So I'm attaching the clip. Do have a look at it. What is happening in HDFC Bank? So if you look at HDFC Bank, अब देखो ये सेम लेवल से एक बार रिजेक्ट हुआ, दो बार रिजेक्ट हुआ, तीन बार रिजेक्ट हुआ, चौथी बार अब जब ये रिजेक्शन दिखा रहा है, what is happening at this level? Let's focus on the nearest price action. This is the level which we are looking for. Correct. This is HDFC Bank. So if you see for the last 3 days, it is respecting this particular mother candle. So tomorrow, if it opens flat, it can give me straight up move without stopping. Now let's move forward and focus on some good stocks which are looking superb, ready to give big moves on a weekly time frame. So the first stock which is on my radar is PFC on a weekly time frame. Let's go to weekly time frame of PFC. Correct. So Power Finance Corporation on a weekly time frame. So when we look at this chart on a weekly time frame, just look at the beautiful breakout that we are witnessing on PFC. This was a particular resistance which was taken down twice, thrice, four times. Look at the amount of consolidation that we are seeing before this breakout, right? So again, very good consolidation, and today it has given a weekly closing above all these levels. Now in scenarios like this, you can expect very strong momentum in this particular stock. If you were to zoom out, just look, are you seeing any nearest resistance? Correct. So we have a nearest resistance over here, which is the all-time high. So this is the target which we can expect, and then we have an all-time high over here. So you can expect very good momentum in PFC, probably the levels up to 190. So this is PFC on a weekly time frame. Also remember, we discussed ITC yesterday, and the kind of momentum we have seen in ITC is superb already. Let's move on to another stock which we have already initiated a position, which is IndusInd Bank. Now when you look at this stock, understand this is one of the perfect structure that you can actually ask for in a swing trade. Correct. So let's delete the drawings which I have already made, right? So let's move forward and understand what is happening. If you look at IndusInd Bank, it has been taking support at this particular trend line. Correct. So this is what we understand, which means the stock is in an uptrend. So I'm going to remove the trend line for your better understanding. And what do you see? That this particular stock has been consolidating in a tight range, and it has actually given a breakout out of its range. And not just that, after the breakout, as you can see over here, it was consolidating, and today it has given a weekly closing above this insider candle on a weekly time frame. So you have a super strong structure in IndusInd Bank. So these are the two stocks which you can look for a short-term swing trade, right? So see, very simple, correct? What are we looking for? A clear breakout, and if the market is sustaining above it, you can expect very good momentum. Now, this is very similar to something like Federal Bank we were discussing, very similar to something like Jubilant Foodworks. All these stocks, they've given very strong up moves. So very simple things you got to focus, right? No complicated analysis, no option chain analysis, nothing. Simple price action, correct? Let's move forward to now stocks which can give you good momentum for day trading as well. Like how we discussed HDFC Bank, today we are going to discuss two stocks which can give very strong momentum, just like HDFC Bank did for intraday. The first stock is obviously Voltas, right? So Voltas, they've already taken this for swing, right? But now, are we seeing a day trading opportunity in this? Again, look what's happening on a daily time frame, correct? This stock was consolidating, correct? It was consolidating. It gave a breakout. And what is happening over the last 4 days? See, first of all, it is trading near its 52-week high, all-time high. There was an insider bar. Can you see this was an insider bar? There was 2 days of consolidation, and today it has managed to close near its day high. So tomorrow, if it opens flat, it gives you a small retracement, consolidation, and then a day high breakout. You can expect again very good momentum in Voltas. Now, जो stocks मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप उनको सिर्फ observe भी करोगे ना, you will get such an edge over anything else, because these are pure momentum stocks, right? They can give momentum in no time. Another stock which is again looking very good is Divis Lab, right? Now, if you look at Divis Lab, again, what a beautiful structure you will see in this stock. Look at Divis Lab. Forget everything, right? This is Divis Lab on a daily time frame. Now, what a beautiful structure this particular stock is giving me. I mean, this is a beauty, right? Look at this stock. First of all, you see this was a rejection area. This was a rejection area. Again, a good fall. And then here the sellers are getting trapped. So the sellers tried to sell on the top, but if you see, the buyers have been able to sustain above the sellers. So tomorrow, again, we can expect a very good momentum in Divis Lab, right? So these are the simple stocks which I have for you. And before I close today's video, I'm going to discuss a trade which was taken by a learner today in Bank Nifty. Now, the reason I'm not discussing Bank Nifty in detail is because first, over the next 1 month, I want you to get a grip on price action. And probably then you can move to something like Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you look at today's Bank Nifty, it is very simple to what we do on a daily time frame. आज market में क्या हुआ? Market open होता है, consolidate करता है, अच्छा सा day high breakout देता है, and then there is a simple momentum. And a lot of our traders have taken trade based on this very simple understanding of price, right? So if you're learning every day with us, right, make sure that you like the video, you hit the subscribe button, right? Because we are going to come up with something very, very special for all of you. And make sure you put it on the comment section कि आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, आप क्या चाहते हो कि मैं next week post करूं, because you know we are going to be giving you so much of learning over the coming months, quarter, and maybe always, right? So with that note, thank you so much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that actually motivates us to do more of what we are doing right now. So with that note, thank you so much. So see you soon, guys. Thank you so much.